Hello everybody, this is Jeff at Etrailer.com. Today we're going to take a look at this TecNiq recessed mount waterproof green LED Livewell Boat Light. Now this is a nice small round LED light that'll provide a bright green light to illuminate your boat's live well, or it can also be used for step and walkway lighting. It is a nice sealed waterproof housing and lens unit. It has an IP68 rating. It's a durable impact resistant lens, and as you can see, it's a clear lens over one green LED. Now at the end of this video I'm going to connect this light to some 12-volt power just to show you how bright the light is and the color. But first I want to go over some of the features of this light. This uses a premium LED, which is energy efficient, long lasting, vibration resistant. It is rated for up to 50,000 hours of operation. They do also use a military grade construction of the circuit board on this light, which means they use urethane potting, gives you better protection than the common epoxy potting. It is compatible with 12-volt DC system. Now this is a recessed mount installation. It comes with this threaded nylon nut. And then if you can see, there's actually two rubber gaskets there. Those two rubber gaskets will create a nice weather-tight seal. And then as you tighten that nut down, it'll tighten down and give you the nice seal and compress those gaskets. Now it will require a 3/4 inch diameter hole to install this in. And it does hardwire to your application. You can see it has two wires in this protective sheathing, a power and a ground wire, and the wire length on it is about 9 inches. A few specs on this. It's going to be about 15/16 of an inch diameter, so just under an inch, and about 15/16 of an inch deep. Input voltage 9 volts to 14 volts. And again, what we're going to do is go ahead and hook this up to some 12-volt power. So I'll go ahead and hook up our power and our ground wires. Once we've got them hooked up, turn on our power, and just like that you can see the one green LED light up. Turn off our overhead lights and you can see how bright it is and gives off a pretty bright area. I do want to zoom out also just to show you from a distance how the lighting is. So you can see it gives up a nice area. Mentioned this can be used in the live well or also step or walkway lighting. Gonna zoom back in. Turn back on overhead lights. And we'll go ahead and turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on this TecNiq recessed mount waterproof green LED Livewell Boat Light.